Hi, I'm Rajesh. We'll go through creating a third person character controller right from the scratch. I don't believe in copy pasting some other's code and later on, when there is an issue, just going and asking for solutions and all those things. Rather, I believe in writing it from the scratch so that I know each line of the code, and tomorrow, if there is any issue, I can debug it easily. Uh, by the way, I am an introvert. I can't speak a few sentences together, but still, I thought that, okay, maybe sharing all the steps, the pitfalls, and the workarounds that I made during this exercise, just wanted to share if someone else need it. That is it. We are going to do the third person controller using softwares Make Human, Blender, Unity, and Mixamo. All these are free for complete use. Make Human is the realistic human development or human modeling software, including modeling and rigging, all those things. Blender, of course, we all know it is for any kind of 3D modeling, starting from the basic modeling all the way until animation, all the material rendering and everything over there. Unity, that is the major point of this exercise. And of course, Mixamo, Adobe has like shared a lot of animations, which we otherwise it will take a lot of time for us to develop. So we'll go through the character pipeline, starting from the beginning when there is no applications either. We'll implement it using a third person camera orbiting around the player and using new input systems where we don't define the particular key. Instead, we define the functionality. We don't say that use space. We say use fire key, use jump key, that kind of stuff. And of course, the locomotion, walk and run. And we'll also see why it's better to use, or I'd like to use root motion. And of course, jumping, it's again part of any third person controller. Jumping while animation, jumping up, jumping down, and falling in between. And when we are walking or running, that animation will be different and the distance covered will be different. Of course, crouch and walk, crouch and run, and falling down either through jumping or you just fall off some ledges that will have its own like logic and animations. And of course, weapon handling, we'll start with a sword. First, drawing the sword, attacks, one and multiple combos, and shooting back the sword. And meanwhile, we'll also look at how to address the issue of weapons creeping through the walls. If you go near to the wall, then part of the weapon will be inside the wall. That issues we'll see how I got across that. Maybe if we want, we can also go through bow and arrow implementation, which is like completely different from any melee weapon. After this, we can continue as and when or whatever is necessary or whatever I am I'm implementing the next or whatever you want the next. Please stay tuned if at all you think that you might want to see this. Also, I want to get some feedback from all the people who have been like implementing it in different ways to find out if there is a better way, just like knowledge pooling or something like that. Get you in the next video. Thanks for watching.